So if you're looking for a home and you want to rent and you want to buy later, there's this concept. It's called rent to own. Typically how that breaks down is in two ways in real estate. One is the seller carry, the other is a lease purchase. And so what this allows you to do is to dial in and fix the rate of the home of where it's at right at that moment. So if the house price is $420,000, you can fix that in. And then you can create a lease. Sometimes it's 1 year, sometimes it's 2 or 3. You pay rent, sometimes more than what you typically would, and you put down a security deposit. And we work out a deal for you to repair your credit and to save more money so that you can become qualified at the end of that lease and buy the home. This is just one of the many ways we can help you become a homeowner. Keep that in mind. Rent to own is a popular concept that people use and think of with all kinds of things. Rent to own furniture, or appliances, or rent to own stereos back in the day. And so this is a really popular term in real estate, something we do a lot of. And so if you're interested in rent to own, if you're interested in down payment assistance to know if you qualify for a VA loan, or if we can help you with some of those lower rates at new home builders or whatever, give us a call. Come in and talk to us. We're here to help you become a homeowner.